All right, so it is time. This is the Infinite Investment Game. I'll talk about alternative investments and collectibles, and this is not particularly investment advice, but hopefully this information will help you make smarter decisions and have a better collection, but also if you're going to be a flipper or investor, just make better decisions altogether and have more information at your disposal. So today I want to talk about the pros of investing in sports cards, because I give the cons and I'm going to talk about the pros, and there are a few. I would say though the biggest one is you need some prerequisites first. So, and actually before I go into this, please like, comment, subscribe, and let me know what you want to hear me talk about, or opinion that you want me to hear, or you want to hear from me. So I have a few things to say. So if you want to experience the pros in the market, I do think you need to have an understanding of economics, finance, and a little bit of marketing, and understand when those things are going on. And the big thing is, if you understand those things, the market makers, manipulators, you can really become one of those people. You can be the market maker, the market manipulator. You can follow the trend, you can make the trend, and make money in any of those ways. Even grading companies and auction houses can recognize you. That's going to be beneficial because you get favorable deals on a lot of things and services, but also you can make partnerships and make money in alternative ways, not just directly from the collectibles. An example of a person doing this is the sports card investor. You see it with, talking to people from Golden Auctions or Heritage Auctions, or talking to Topps or Panini or whoever, or talking to grading companies, and you get a lot of favorable stuff your way. The other one is you have knowledge and you gain knowledge, and in sports cards, knowledge is money. A lot of people made a lot of money from 1986 Fleer just because they had knowledge that new people in the hobby did not. Same with 96 Topps Chrome, but especially refractors, especially parallels and serial number cards, especially when it comes to a lot of vintage stuff, especially when it comes to select and other optic, other kind of parallels, especially to higher end markets. Opulence, National Treasures, Flawless, Noir, you name it. The other thing that I think is important is insider trading is valuable in sports cards. You just get access to information. You know what grading companies are going to do before they do it. You know what auction houses are going to probably have for sale before they put it out to the public. You know what products these card companies are working on. You get an idea of what other people are going to buy or planning to manipulate or pump up the market next. And you can go ahead and buy it up, and then when they pump it up, you can start selling. Other things is it can be an inflation hedge. Right now, I think it's weird because interest rates are going to be raising, so it's going to be murky. I think there's going to be certain things that are going to be a great inflation hedge. Maybe I would say, vintage stuff. I would say 1980 stuff and below. I think that stuff will be a great inflation hedge. And especially in the higher grades. I would think for football, let's say for I believe 1981, Joe Montana, PSA 10. I think the BGS 10 is a nice inflation hedge. The PSA 10, I'm not 100% sure about that one. But it could be. There's been so much speculation, though, it won't have that. But let me know.